Next, find the value of log 3 log 1 by 18 to the base 3 root 2. I'll write the question here. Log 1 by 18 to the base 3 root 2. Find the answer. Easy one only. If you can analyze the question properly and do it, easy one.
Is it -1?
Sorry?
-1.
It is verbal. -1, na? Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's see. Wait. How did you write 18 as?
18 is also 3 root 2.
Yes.
If we find LCM for 18, we get 3 root 2.
Yes. So 18 is nothing but 9 into 2. 9 into 2. Or it can be written as 3 root 2 the whole square. 3 root 2 whole square. So it can be written as log of 1 divided by 3 root 2 the whole square to the base 3 root 2. Okay. Or it can be written as log of 3 root 2 to the power of -2, and it can be written as 3 root 2. So -2 can be taken out. It is going to be log 3 base 3 root 2 to the power of 3 root 2. So it is going to be, answer is -2, not -1.
Yes, sir.
Check it out.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So whenever they are giving something in the base in terms of root, cube or something, try to convert the given expression also into that. It would be possible. Only for that reason they would give. Once that is done, then your answer is coming. Clear? Online people, everyone are clear with this concept? Okay. So before I enter into complex numbers, some complex number questions, solve 15th one. Solve 15th. 15th you solve. 12, 13, 14th, a bit of complex. I will just explain how it happens. Log x base 2 plus log x base 4 plus log x base 16 equal to 21 by 4. Find x. Find x. What is x? What is x? What is x? This is 2 marks. This question is for 2 marks. This was your 2022 PGCT MCA paper. Last year PGCT MCA. Last before year. 2021, I think. If you're able to solve this, you'll get 2 marks. Then you have understood logs. Else you did not understand logs. It means I did not teach them. Yes, how will you solve it first? Convert the entire thing into a common base. Common base. What still you're doing? Answer. Online people answer. What still you're doing? Yes, answer. Answer. Log of x base 2 plus log of x base 4 can be written as 2 square plus log of x 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So now can I take out log x to the base 2 common? So it becomes or if you want more simplification, see this 2 comes out here. 2. This comes out as 1 by 4. This comes out as 1 by 2, right? So log of x base 2 comes out 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 is equivalent to 21 by 4. Fine. Now what is the LCM for this? LCM 4. 4 is the LCM. This becomes 4 plus 2 plus 1. Log of x base 2. This becomes 7 by 4 log of x base 2 equal to 21 by 4. Right? 4 and 4 gets cancelled. 7 goes 3 times. So log of x base 2 equal to 3. X is equal to 3 square. X is equal to 2 cube, not 3 square. X is equal to 2 cube. That is nothing but x is 8. That's your answer. What was difficult here? Oh, you didn't get the answer. Yes, online people, what was difficult here? On with your basics. If you find a base 2 with x, you need to convert the entire term in terms of 2 so that you can take something common out and substitute. Fine. Clear? Or any doubts? Fine. Do the next one. Log 3 to the base, log y to the base 3 equal to x, log z to the base 2 equal to x. Then find 72x in terms of y and z. 72 in terms of y and z. Do it. Solve. This is also last year question. What is your first approach? First, what you should do? Log y to the base 3 equal to z. Log z to the base 2 equal to x. What is your first approach? First step. Okay, let me know the answer directly. No one wants me to tell.
Should we take the base to the right hand side?
Okay, try it. Yes, you should get the base to the right hand side. That would be your first step. Y is equal to 3 power x. Z is equal to 2 power x. This is your first step by getting base to the right hand side. Okay, next what will you do? You need to find 72 to the power of x in terms of y and z. How will you do? 72 to the power of x in terms of y and z. Think.
Sir, it is 3 square and 2 cube.
Sorry?
3 square and 2 cube.
Okay, then how can you write it in terms of y and z, the 72 power x? Yes, you are right. 72 to the power of x can be written as 9 into what? 8, right? 9 into 8 to the power of x. So this 9 and 8, how can you write in terms of 2 and 3? This can be written as 3 square into 2 cube to the power of x. So now, can you take these things out, or this can be written as 3 to the power of 2x into 2 power 3x? Yes, or it can be written as 3x to the power of 2 into 2x to the power of 3, right? What is 3 power x? 3 power x is nothing but y square into what is 2 power x? Z to the power of 3. Y square z cube becomes the answer for this question. This is the way you need to solve it in order to get it in terms of y and z. The approach what you did was right, but you need to end up with the final result in terms of y and z. Okay, because that's the question answer. And remember, this is a 1 mark question, not a 2 mark question also. Options will be given to you. You just need to find out which is the correct option. Clear or not clear? Online, find the 17th one.
So it's 13 by 12.
Complete it. Very basic.
13 by 12.
After doing so many problems, you shouldn't tell I don't know this. Know this.
Sir, hello.
Find the value of this.
Sir, 13
What is
by
the
12.
common base? That is your first step. That's
Hello.
all. Answer done. From the common base, your answer is done.
13 by 12. Hello.
Sorry?
Hello.
Yes.
13 by 12.
13 by 12. I need to check on it. Just cross check once. Cross check once. It's not 13 by 12. It's not 13 by 12. Cross check. Cross check.
Sir, it's 1.
By 36. What is the answer? Online people answer. I think it got disconnected. Yes, answer for this is 1. Did anyone get 1? See, it can be written as 64 can be written as 2 power 6. 64 in terms of 8 can be written as 8 square. 64 in terms of 4 can be written as 4 cube. So 4 base 4, 8 base 8, 2 base 2 becomes 1. So you end up with 1 by 6 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. That is nothing but 6 by 6, nothing but 1. So this is your answer for the question. Clear or not clear? Yes. Clear? Okay, now let us go into your complex numbers a bit. Okay, I'm just like brushing up the complex numbers. I'm not going deep into it right now. I'll just see all your old question papers. If really some complex numbers are going to come, I'll spend some ample amount of time in explaining you the concept. As of now, we will just visit some basics. Okay, what is I? I root of minus 1. P square. Okay. I is root of minus 1. Okay, what is I square? 1. What is I square? Minus 1. What is I cube? I cube minus 1 into I, becoming minus I. Minus I. What is I power 4? 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 becomes 1. Okay, so this is the one which you need to remember. Okay, I saw certain questions. Most of the questions they're asking of this kind of things. So if you remember this, is more than sufficient. Okay, apart from this also I'll give you some logics, but remember this basic. Okay, what is I power 0? 1. What is I power 8? It is a multiple of 4. So it is going to be 1. What is I power 4k? It is going to be 1. Every multiple of 4 is going to be 1. Fine. So this is your basic, very, very basic. Now let me give you the first question over here using this logic. I power 57 plus 1 divided by I power 125. I power 57 plus 1 divided by I power 125. Answer, how can you write 57 as I power 56 into I? Is 56 a multiple of 4? Okay. Can you write this I power 125 as I power 124 into I? Yes. So I power 56 is a multiple of 4. So that becomes I. So you can write it as I plus 124 is a multiple of 4. So it becomes 1. So it becomes 1 by I. I plus 1 divided by I is going to be I square plus 1 divided by I. I square plus 1 divided by I. What is I square? Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is 0. 0 divided by something is 0. Answer is 0. Clear? Very basic complex number questions. Okay. Now Z is equal to X plus IY. This is the general format for your complex numbers, where X is a real number, I is an imaginary number. X and Y are real numbers. Fine. This is the generalized formula. Now take the next question. I plus I to the power of 10. I plus I to the power of, sorry, 1 plus 1 plus I to the power of 1 plus I to the whole to the power of 10 is equal to what? Yes, how can you do it? Sorry?
Answer is 0.
0. No, answer is not 0. Answer is not 0. Earlier question answer was 0, not for this question. First, how are you solving it? Let me know. Yes. 1 plus I to the power of whole square. We only know a plus b whole square. We don't remember anything else. I am just assuming it. Okay. So can I write it this way? I plus 1 to the power of whole square to the power of 5. Yes. What is I plus 1 the whole square? Is a plus b the whole square. 1 square plus I square plus 2i whole to the power of 5. 1 square is 1. 1 I square is minus 1 plus 2i to the power of 5, or this nothing but this gets cancelled. This becomes 2 power 5 I power 5, or this 2 power 5 is 32. I power 5 is I power 4 into I power 4 is 1 into I is I. Solve. What was difficult here? I think you people are trying to solve the entire I plus 1 to the power of 10 completely. Try to simplify, guys. This is just a very easy exam. They won't ask you complicated questions. I'm repeatedly telling it, they won't ask you complicated questions. They're going to ask you 10 easy questions which can be directly substituted and got the answer. If it was for cat or zat or snap or something like that, yes, whatever you people are thinking will be happening. So you can think it out of the box. Here, don't think anything. Whatever you know, just apply it and do. Clear? Online people, clear on any doubts? Okay. To the 14th one, I power 10 plus 1, I power 9 plus 1, I power 8 plus 1, I power 7 plus 1. Solution. Think like a very basic. Think you're going to class 10 now, or you're a very small kid. How will you solve it? Is everything being multiplied or added? Multiplied. No. Multiplied. Now, what is the first step? In multiplication, whenever you multiply a number by 0, what happens? 0. Now, what is I power 8? 1. Okay, fine. Okay. Let us not take it that way. Let us take it this way. Okay. Okay. From this entire thing, what can I take common out?
I to the power 7 plus 1.
Sorry, I to the power of
7 plus 1.
7 plus 1, or like instead of taking I to the power of 7 plus 1, shall I take it as I to the power of 2 plus 1? If you ask me the reason, I will tell I square is nothing but minus 1 plus 1
Minus
becomes 0. So if I take I square plus 1 into something, obviously 0 into something is going to give me 0. The entire answer is going to be 0, right? Else, what you could have done is I power 10. I power 10 can be written as I power 8 into I power 2. I power 8 is 1. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0. So this 0 into something will give you entirely 0. Do it this way or do it that way. Both will give you the same answer. Fine. These were some of the basic questions of logs which are most commonly asked in your exam. Only this type of difficulty level is being asked. Complex numbers, I'm still seeing. If some questions has been asked in a much more deeper level, I will just work around and I'll let you know how to go about it. For today, is this logarithm concept clear for all? At least you will get solid 5 to 8 marks from this. Okay, solid 5 to 8 marks. But under 2 mark question also you'll get, under a single mark question also you'll get from this. So be prepared for logs. It can be a game changer for you people. Logs, matrices, all these things. In case if you are weaker in trigonometry, all these things, concentrate more on these parts. Okay, trigonometry is easy. Okay, fine. Some people find trigonometry. Okay. Some people, if you are finding it difficult to manage trigonometry, concentrate more on this. In this also, it is based on only normal 4 formulas. That's all. 4 rules, not formulas also. Normal rules. Okay. Okay, great. All understood the class or any doubts?